Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite, and in this video, we're going to talk a little bit more about one of the most popular peer-to-peer lenders, Funding Circle. So Funding Circle only makes business loans. Now, when we talk about peer-to-peer lending, just to make sure we're on the same page, peer-to-peer lending is where you have platforms like Funding Circle that are pooling together funds from individual investors. These aren't banks. These aren't financial institutions. These are individual people just like you and I that are choosing to invest into privately owned businesses. We're using platforms like Funding Circle to give them money. They pool the money from people like you and I to put it into one loan and then loan it to borrowers. So because of this, it's easier to qualify for this kind of financing than it usually is loans because you're not qualifying for normal bank underwriting terms. Now, Funding Circle is one of the most popular peer-to-peer lenders, and they only do business loans. And the reason this is important is other peer-to-peer lenders like Prosper and Lending Club issue both business and consumer loans, whereas Funding Circle is one of the only ones that focuses just on business loans. Now, the company operates in the US, UK, Germany, and the Netherlands. They've loaned over $3 billion to date, and they have what's called a borrower's bill of rights that you can actually get right here at their link, fundingcircle.com/US/business-borrower-bill-of-rights. Now, loans they lend are from $25,000 to $500,000. Rates run from 5.5 to 27.8, depending on the risk grade that they give you. Now, if you're an investor into Funding Circle, well, they're charging investors a 1% monthly service fee on top of all payments received within the month. And the minimum to even invest with Funding Circle, if you're interested in investing in other businesses, is about 50 grand. So Funding Circle is a great place to go if you're looking to get a higher loan amount. A lot of these peer-to-peer lenders only go as high as 300,000. Because Funding Circle focuses on business only, you're able to get as much as $500,000. The other nice thing here is that you're able to get a very low rate. So you're able to get rates as low as 5.5%, which keeps your payments low. And in a lot of cases with peer-to-peer lending, you're able to get terms as much as 36 to 60 months. So what does it take to qualify for this kind of financing? What they're really looking for is they're looking at your personal credit to see how you've performed on other loans, how high your utilization is, how you're basically managing your current credit now. That's one of the most important driving factors. And then the revenue that your business creates will help determine the loan amount that you may be given. So for more information on getting approved for peer-to-peer lending and all other kinds of financing for your business, give us a ring, 877-600-2487, or get approved directly online at creditsuite.com/get funding.